Welcome to my channel. This is the first lecture of Proteus series. In this series, I will show you step by step to learn the Proteus 8.0 Professional. Proteus is a simulation tool for the hardware systems. You can make the different schematic diagrams, PCB layout, and also you can run the simulation on it. Instead of it, you can easily add more libraries, more processor, microcontrollers, and different development toolkits like Arduino, which is very popular these days. Since it's a first tutorial, so I will show you a basic schematic diagram of LED connected with a push button. Let's get started. Here is, you can select the schematic capture, click on it, you will see the window like this. Here are different modes and different tools are available. From this you can select the different devices available in this software. You can search different components by searching different keywords. Since we are doing a LED connection with push button, so we need of a LED. Here you can see you have a different kind of LEDs. I will select a yellow color LED. This one, double click on it, it will be shown in here. Instead of it, we need of a resistor like this and one push button. Close this window. Let's make a circuit diagram. First of all, I will place a LED. This is positive terminal, which is known as a anode, and this is negative terminal, which is known as a cathode. Cathode will be connected to ground and positive terminal will be connected with a resistance, and then the resistance second terminal will be connected to a push button. Like this, I will place this push button here and a resistor here, and these are the wiring between the component. For connecting the cathode with ground, we will need of a terminal ground. Here is a terminal mode. You can select power and ground from here. This is a ground like this and power like this. Connect this power terminal to push button and connect this to this one. Here we completed all the components with wiring. Now play this button. If I click on this button, you can see there is no change in LED. The reason behind it, the resistance that is connected to this is 10k ohm, which is too much. Try to edit its properties, right click on it. It's not enabled because we are in running simulation form. Stop it, right click on it, click on edit properties and set to 330 or 220 ohm. Now again play this button to run the simulation. Now I am clicking on this button. You can check LED is blinking. This is all for this lecture. See you in next tutorial.